Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. Welcome to Real Macroeconomics and Investing. Welcome to TradingView, YouTube, and to my subscribers and Twitter, whatever's left of it. Lol. Okay, so what's going on? Well, Twitter was making everybody so excited. Oh my God, I have to go out and buy crypto now. I have to, because it's going to $147,000, and if I don't get the bottom, then I'm not going to make any money. Right? There's so many bots out there, and it's not just for cryptos; it's for anything. You saw it in the meme stocks, you saw it in crypto now. You're always seeing it. They're just little pumpers there, and they're bots, and they're there to and designed to provoke emotion from you, to go get you to buy, and it's always about buying. It's never about calling tops. It's never about doing the prudent thing and the rational thing. It's always about you know I bought 20 bitcoins today. Oh, guess what? It's down $1,000. I bought another 20, and it's down another $1,000, and it's down 20. And they've been doing this since it was 69,000 in Bitcoin, all the way down to 15,000. Oh, I bought more. Oh, I bought more. You know, yeah, they're buying with fake money. And if you listen to them and you run out and you do that, okay, based on some, I don't know, Hikamakuchika or RSI or candlestick pattern or whatever it is, you are going to get hurt. Okay. And you worked very hard for that money. You don't want to lose it. Okay. That's not what you want to be doing. Now, I made a video and I said, don't try to pick bottoms. Okay. And I think now, hopefully, at least the people that are following me, if you listen to me, now you understand why you should not try to pick bottoms. Okay? Picking bottoms is not going to make you rich. Picking bottoms is going to make you poor because you will blow out your account. I promise you, you will blow out your account. So, if you cannot analyze price action on the chart, you're never going to have very good success. Okay? Just a blank chart like this. If you can't look at it and figure out what it's telling you, because that's what it is in the end of the game, end of the day. It's not about guessing. No, Buffett didn't become Buffett because he guesses better than everybody else. Okay, it's not about guessing. It's about understanding. It's about letting the markets tell you what is going on, not you telling the markets what's going on. All right, and that's why I don't like a whole bunch of indicators on my personal charts. I don't like them because it just I will my brain will sit there and pick and choose what my bias is and say, oh, based on this and this and this, my fib this and the RSI is doing this and that's doing that and whatever. Uh, then I'm gonna go buy, right? And then when the market goes down, it's like, oh, market is going down based on this indicator and that indicator and this moving average and resistance here and this with the Hikamokochiko and the MACD. I'm shorting. No, you're not doing it because of those things. You're doing it because you're looking for from all the data that you have and all the colors and all the things. You're looking for and picking and choosing what you want to believe is analysis, and then you just go out and do what you would have done anyway, which is market is down today, big, I'm shorting or I'm selling. Okay. Or market is up big today, oh, I'm FOMOing. I'm going out and buying because this is the bottom. And I don't want to miss the bottom, God forbid. Right? So it's not the way to do it. It's not. So everybody was trying to get you, everybody, all the bots were trying to get you so excited that, oh my God, look at this. That if you miss this, oh my. And I kept seeing it on Twitter everywhere. I was like, oof, what's going on here? There's nothing to be excited about that little move that ended up being a big move to the downside. And I posted it. And somebody told me, like, well, that's not enough content. Well, look at the chart. What do you mean it's not enough content? Look at the chart. Look at it. Is there anything bullish in that chart? No. So what do you mean it's not enough content? Uh, You can't just run around and just keep saying, oh, it's bullish. It's more than enough content. Look at it. Top left, bottom right. Don't get excited. And sure enough, what happened? The whole thing imploded, right? Everything collapsed. If I can find that chart. There it is. There it is. Okay? Pumpers are excited about this. There's nothing to be excited about here. And look what happened. Boom. You make up your mind. I'm not going to tell you. Just look at the chart. That was the point of this post. Look at it. There's nothing bullish. I don't know what to tell you. Right? You gotta kind of keep it simple sometimes. How long have I been pounding the table? Stop with cryptos. How long? Right? A very long time. Over a year. Stop with the cryptos. I took my money. I took my profits. I ran. I posted that before anybody even had a clue as to what was going to happen. Right? So you look at this chart. This is back on December 31st, 2021. Right? This is Solana. Everybody's, oh my God, this is great. This is the next Bitcoin. $280. Blah 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 blah. You want to know what it's trading at today? Right now it's 1428 or something. Do you know how much of a collapse that is? It lost 95% of its value or something like that. Right? We don't want to be doing these things. Guys, it's frustrating. Tesla, oh my God, Elon Musk, he's the greatest, he's the best. Right? What's happened? Well, this is before the split, but anyway, I have another one somewhere about Tesla. I wish the charts would update, but they don't. I don't know where it is. Whatever. You get the point. It's trading at 187, right? It was 400 something when I said, get out of Tesla. Shiba, okay? Look at the pump. Everyone's like, oh yeah, Shiba. It's going to $1, man. Come on, buddy. It's going to $1, right? And I couldn't show you this break here. That's for my subs, um, but nonetheless, I told you that this pattern here is dead. It's a dead pattern. It's the kiss of death. Okay, and look what's happened since. It was the kiss of death. I was right. Right? How many times have I posted this same exact pattern in meme stocks? Right? A lot of times. A lot of times. Look at this disaster. I can't even zoom out anymore. Oh no, I can't. Okay, it's a complete disaster. And the kiss of death was written factually on the chart that this was going to happen, and that's why I was warning about it. Okay, so uh, and again, they were pumping you up with the total market cap of cryptos losing about, I don't know, how much was it? 3 trillion, and it's now 800, 2.1, $2.2 trillion in market cap just wiped away, and now you're trying to pick a bottom because some guy on Twitter or social media ran out and told you, oh my God, yeah, we're going, Doge is going to $1 or whatever, right? Look at Doge. I posted this back on October 30th. I said this is a disaster in the making. It's a kiss of death. Also, I can't give you the direct ones in Bitcoin and so forth, but a lot of people got excited about it. And I said, look, here it is, double top, right? High or low. Oh, but look, it went up. No, no, it went down. This is telling you what the future is going to happen. The fact that it goes up a little bit doesn't mean anything. It's just a double top. That's all it was, and then boom, implosion. But you could see it all the way back here, at least as per my bare knuckle charting ways of analyzing charts. And if you go back and you look at something like an AMC, okay, I did the same thing. It was the same chart pattern. I don't know where it is now, but anyway, go through my little diary here. You can see it. You can see the same topping pattern over and over and over and over. Yeah. AMC. There we go. Okay, this was back on November 9th, 2021. And I said, look, this is ending. This is a 1, 2, 3 up. It's done. You want to see what's happened since? Right? The exact top. Boom. All right. It's the same exact thing. And where is it? I think I have it here somewhere. Well, I guess not. Anyway, I have it somewhere. Go back and look. Just type in here. Type in AMC, whatever. All right. What else do I want to talk about? Well, let's talk a little bit about the economics of it all. Uh, I know a lot of people don't think that cryptos really care about economics, but they actually do. Okay, they actually do. And I kind of posted this chart here, and I said, look, we can MMT everything, right? We MMT. What does MMT mean? Modern monetary theory, right? That we could just go out and print, and give everybody free stuff, and look, we're all going to be rich. And all they did was produce an asset bubble, a massive one. Okay. And then once all the QEs and the quantitative normalizing and the repos and the whatever Operation Twists and all that stuff ended, right? Zero interest rate policy, QE, massive deficits. When all that ended, what happened? And inflation came. Boom. Everything started to collapse, including cryptos. Now, you may think that all those economic indicators or policies didn't affect crypto, but they actually did. And that's why it's important to also understand macroeconomics, the real kind, not the kind with models and fantasies and political economic theories and all that stuff. Forget about that stuff. That's not going to help you. You have to understand real macroeconomics and investing. Real. That's why I call it what I call it, because it's dynamic analysis. I don't have a model. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you what's going to happen in the future. I can only tell you what's happening now and how the markets are going to react to it. That's dynamic analysis, right? So when everybody's getting all excited about this and they don't understand what's happening in the real world, and you got a bunch of bots on social media running out telling you buy this, do this, sell this, do that, short now, buy now, hourly, and they're calling themselves macro traders. Well, fuck, sorry, but well, you can't you can't be a macro trader and then every single hour of the day you have something to say about the macroeconomy. Macro is slow and it takes months, if not years, for it to play out. You can't come out every hour and be like, well, the market did this, and this economic data came out, and it's that. It's not going to happen. That's not the way it works. All right, so you want to look at the stocks. Stocks are up big today. Oh my God, the Nasdaq is up 6% today. Wow, I have to buy. Why? Because it's green and it's up 6% today. Okay, so let's do it my way. Let's look at the chart. What do you see? Higher lows. What else do you see? Lower lows. Is that bullish? Should you get all excited about that? How about we look at here? This is months worth of data right here. Where has price action gone? Nowhere. Nowhere. Is this the bottom? I don't know. Does it look like a bottom to you? I'll leave that up to you. So what has price done? After elections, after CPI data, okay, after FTX blowing up and so many other things start to blow up, everybody suddenly is what? Excited that the red wave didn't come? You think they're excited about that? I don't know, right? So let's talk a little bit about FTX, okay? Let's talk about it. You see this chart? This was published back on November 8th, a year ago, more than a year ago now, 2021, okay? And I said, look, it's breaking, bearish. This is bad. Okay. Why does this matter to cryptos, do you think? Why do you think this matters? As interest rates rise, okay, it makes the cost of borrowing more expensive, right? Now, if you're a junk bond, and I'm not saying FTX was a junk bond, they are today, okay? What can you refinance at such high levels? Because remember, if you understand bonds, right, when bond prices fall, interest rates rise, okay? So, do you think that had anything to do, higher interest rates, to do with FTX? You think it had anything to do with crypto? Well, I think you felt the effects of it yesterday, and if you didn't know that it does matter to these exchanges and these zombie companies, that selling off junk bonds and raising interest rates makes it more expensive for them. And you don't know what's going to blow up, but something will blow up eventually. I promise you. When you raise the cost of borrowing, bad things are going to happen. So while you're clueless or not all of you, and oblivious, especially the bots that are pumping you that, hey, go out and buy cryptos. No matter the price, just keep buying from 69,000 all the way down to 15,000. Just keep buying. I bought. I have a Lamborghini in the back, blah, blah, blah. They don't have a clue what this meant, this chart. Nobody had a clue. I posted it. I know what it means. Right? So there's a lot of things to trading. It's not just, hey, let me look at a chart, put a bunch of colors, a bunch of RSI, some moving averages, fibs, and there's a lot more to it. I promise you, there's a lot more to it that you need to be aware. I can't, if you don't follow me, I can't help you. Right? Look at utilities. It's like utilities. Come on, who cares about utilities? Right? That's garbage. I'm trading cryptos. I'm going to become a millionaire. It's going to go up, 147,000 in Bitcoin. Blah 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 blah. And this is a very simple chart. This is the NDX, right? It's been falling, and this is utilities, which is boring. Who cares about utilities? Well, you care about utilities now, don't you? Right? Easy little trade. Doesn't matter that it was utilities, no, right? But it lost 17%, and it lost as much as 25%. Okay. All these things matter, and that's the message of the market. You need to learn how to listen to the message of the market. I had some guy, again, this is over a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. January 22nd, okay, almost a year. And I said, look, this is Carnival. This thing is going to blow up, okay? Look at that collapse. It went from 23 down to 18, okay? It's almost a 30% drop. You want to know what it is today? It dropped as much as down to 14.95. Okay. Then you have this bearish structure. You see it? See it there? Compass. 1, 2, 3 up. Coming down next. Right. There you go. Magic. Look at that. And he argued with me relentlessly. Look at that. Okay. So we started out at 20 something $3, and now it's trading at 9.94 or whatever it is, and you get the point. Anyway, I'm running out of time. So be careful out there. There's a lot more to this game that, just drawing things on a chart and putting arrows in it and trying to, impress everybody. Hey, buy this, buy this, buy this. There's nothing exciting about this move. Okay. It's down a lot. Okay. This is down a lot. 74%. And this move alone was down 28%. So don't listen to the pumpers. I will always try to give you the best analysis. All right. Take care, guys. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon. And if I don't talk to you before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye bye.